Hey guys, it's me, Fifi. So I've made it home with my Walgreens haul. This is a very beginner friendly haul. It is a small but mighty haul. I have 2 Niveas, I have 2 Axe for men body sprays, and I have 3 Oral-B toothbrushes. So let's get into the breakdowns. So this week at Walgreens, the Crest and Oral-B are priced at $3. When you buy 3, you get a $4 register reward. So that's what I did. So you're going to buy 3 and use the 5 off 3 digital coupon, pay $4 and receive $4 register reward. So that makes those Oral-B toothbrushes absolutely free. Next, for the Axe spray, they are priced at $6 this week. You are going to use the $2 off 2 digital coupon. You're going to pick up 2. You're going to pay $10 and you are going to receive a $5 register reward. On the Axe, earn $5 when you spend $10. So that's what I did. You're going to get $5 reward when you spend $10. But submit your receipt to Ibotta, use my referral code O2UPA, and get $3 back for buying 2 Axe. Next, on the Nivea, the body wash, it is priced at $5 this week. You're going to use the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Well, it's actually 4 off 1. But you're going to buy 2, pay $6, and receive a $5 register reward. So that makes that $1 for 2, or 50 cents each. And I'm going to show you the register rewards. You're going to get the $5 register reward on the Nivea for purchasing 2. You are going to get the $4 register reward on the Oral-B for purchasing 3. And you are also going to get a $5 register reward on the Axe for purchasing $10 worth. However, my register reward did not print out. I had to call corporate and they gave me $5 in Walgreens cash added to my account because my register reward did not print out. So make sure you pay attention to your register rewards. Make sure that they print out, because my Axe one did not print out. I got one for the Nivea and I got one for the Oral-B, but my Axe one did not print out. So Here is the receipt. As you can see, my subtotal is $20. Now, I got back a $5 register reward for the Nivea, $5 in points, which should have been a $5 register reward for the Axe. I got back a $4 register reward for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Y'all, I'm already at $14 and I only spent $20. But it gets better. So, $5 register reward for the Axe, $5 register reward for the Nivea, $4 register reward for the Oral-B toothbrushes. Submit your receipt to Ibotta. You get $3 back for the Axe body wash. And to put the icing on the cake, I had a spend $20, get $5 register reward. So, everything that I got back, $5 when I spent $20, $3 for the Axe body wash on Ibotta. Use my referral code O2UPA. $5 in register rewards when I buy the Axe, $5 in register rewards when I bought the Nivea, $4 in register rewards when I bought the Oral-B toothbrushes. So, the transaction that you see before you was absolutely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. On the Niveas, there's a $4 off 1 digital coupon. On the Axe, there's a $2 off 2 digital coupon. On the Crest Oral-B, there is a $5 off 3 digital coupon. Again, here is the receipt. And I hope you can see, I'm sorry, right here. This total transaction was absolutely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Yes, absolutely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Please share this video. And do one more thing for me. Keep watching.